Hey guys, today I want to show how to add picture to the website. So first step is to open your Sublime text. So search for the Windows and open this application, create a new file and change the plain text to the HTML. And save this file, for example, to the desktop, and the name will be index and the type will be HTML. And save this file and here this file. So how to add this image to the website? So you can write the HTML and press tab, and you can add the title, for example picture. And how to add this image? So you can write image and we need to add this image source. So in this case will be this image name, so image dot, and here is the type. Save this file and open this in this browser, and here is this picture. So for example, how to change this image size? So you can write next, so style is equals, for example, you can add a width, for example this pixel, and you can write you can change this height, and this will be a pixel. And save file and reopen, and this image size will change. So for example, if you add a folder with create a new folder, for example the folder name will be folder, and we'll copy this image to the folder, and the picture is here. And when reopen this file, it has no picture. So you can add a title, for example, if the picture is not found, you can add with this, so not found. Save file, and when reopen this picture is not found, so it will be appeared when the picture is not found. So how open this image in the folder? So you can add source, so change this with this source. So in this, for example, it is in the desktop, so C users, and here will be the computer name, and the folder will be the desktop, and the name, and next to the folder we'll write this image name and the type and save file. So the picture is here with name image. So if reopen this, and the picture is here. So when if it is not specified the browser except to find the image in the same folder as the web page, however it's common to store image in a subfolder, you must then include this attribute. So how to add an image with a server? So some website store their image on image server. So actually you can access the image from any web address in the world. For example, if you create a new file and search for the image, in the Google, and I want to add this picture, for example this bridge picture, to the website. So you can copy, so right copy this picture and copy image address, and so and in the source will be this image source, and when reopen this file, and here this image. So it was how to add a picture. So thank you for watching and see you later.